Hello. You joined me in my new car. Well, one of two actually, because the second one I'm going to reveal later in the week, but not just yet. So, why have I got a new car? This is a daily, or will be a daily. A few things have happened in my life over the last few weeks, and due to personal circumstances, I've had to sell the Renault. Wasn't intended, unfortunately. Finances dictate otherwise, so the Renault's going off tomorrow to a new owner. Already paid the deposit, the deal's done, and I bought this in the meantime. Now, the reason I bought this in the meantime is because I've already picked up another classic. Now, those of you who know me know that I like my classic cars. Yes, the reason I had to buy a second car is because the classic that I bought isn't quite ready for the road yet. So until that's until I've had time to work on it, all cattle grid, until I have time to work on it, until I know that it's right and I can use it as a daily, this is going to be my little mode of transport. I think before I talk any more about it, we should pull over and I can show you around the car. And here it is. It's a 2004 Rover 45 Club SE. I picked the car up locally. It's had a few owners. It's one of the last Rovers they produced, the British side of production. I think they ceased production on this until about 2005. So it really is one of the last Rovers. Let's have a walk around and show you everybody. I gave all of £500 for this car, almost a year's MOT, and I'm quite happy with it really. Interior is pretty tidy. The only thing that lets it down is the headlining, which is like a circus tent, but that's on my to-do list. Again, loads of space in the back and a nice armrest. I do like a nice armrest. Right, well, let's get back indoors because it's actually quite cold out here. Despite the nice evening, I can show you around the cabin. So in the centre console here we've got door unlock button, rear demist, fog lights front and rear, and LCD clock, which is packed up unfortunately. Hazard lights up the top there, I'll just get into that. And down there you've got all your heater and climate controls. Werthers. Moving over to the instrument cluster, you've got the Rover 75, or the same setup as the Rover 75. Nice, clear, basic, straightforward instrumentation, nothing overly complicated. And on the steering wheel, the traditional, wonderful Rover crest. You've got electric windows on this. You've got a single switch on there for the driver's side, and the other button's actually hidden down in the centre console. Ashtray, of course, because all Rover drivers smoke, and heated heated front seats. Sod the rear passengers. Right, so now I think we should just test the wipers. I'll just fire up the ignition, and I don't know how much you're going to be able to see because the sun's pretty low at the moment, but let's give it a go anyway. That's either the wiper bays need changing or that's an unmitigated disaster, but oh no, it's cleared pretty quickly. That's I'd say that's I can't see a triangle of doom there. It may be a car without a triangle of doom. I'll let Humnut decide on that one, but let's just take it for a blast and I can get home and have some tea. Right, let's head home. I've been locked in. Yeah, the 1.6 16 valve twin cannon engine really does pull well. It's a lovely car to drive. I've actually missed having something sort of relaxing and wafty, as it were. I think it'll do me very well. Oh, pheasant. yeah, that's to say, there is another car in the pipeline. It's not quite ready for the road yet, so until I'm happy with that car's performance, this is going to be my daily. And I may well end up keeping this car, because really for what I've paid for it, I've done very well. Long MOT, nothing horrific. The cam belt was last done a couple of years ago. It's done about 20,000 miles since then, so I don't think it's quite due yet, but maybe other people can give me some guidance on that. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say really. I'm going to enjoy this little drive home now and put the kettle on, and I'll get this video out. So yeah, just a quick update, and I shall speak to you again soon. Goodbye. Find someone that does cream teas.